In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add exceptions in Kaspersky, ensuring that your antivirus allows certain programs or files that you know are safe while still protecting your system from potential threats. This process is simple and will take only a few minutes. First, let's start by opening the Kaspersky application on your computer. You'll typically find it in your list of programs or via a desktop shortcut, depending on how you installed it. Once you've launched the app, you're looking for the gear icon, which is typically used for settings in most software applications. Clicking on this icon will take you to the Settings menu. This area is where you can make all sorts of adjustments to how Kaspersky protects your computer, so over time, it can be worth exploring a bit if you're looking to customize your user experience. Now, we're going to delve a little deeper into the settings. Look for an option called Advanced Settings. This is where Kaspersky allows you to modify more detailed configurations that casual users might not need to adjust often. It is here, in the Advanced section, that you can fine-tune exactly how the antivirus software interacts with your system and the software running on it. In the Advanced Settings menu, find and click on Exclusions and Actions on Object Detection. This area is specifically designed for adding exceptions, so it's the main focus of today's adjustment. Exclusions are extremely helpful if your antivirus is frequently alerting you to files or programs that you already know are secure and don't need to be scrutinized every time you open them. Perhaps it's a proprietary software or a family favorite game that you trust completely. Once in the Exclusions section, you'll typically have an option to add a new exclusion. When you select that, Kaspersky will prompt you to enter more details. You'll need to specify the type of file or program you wish to exclude. It's crucial at this step to ensure you're selecting the correct file or location because these files won't be scanned for threats in the future, meaning if it were malicious, it might slip through unnoticed. Take your time here and verify the information if necessary. After you've added your desired exclusions, remember to save your changes and exit the settings menus by clicking OK or Apply. This ensures that any modifications you've made are stored and will be applied the next time Kaspersky runs. And there you have it. You've successfully added exceptions to your Kaspersky Antivirus. This will allow you to maintain a balance between security and functionality, knowing that you can operate those trusted applications without interruption. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.